Hey guys, welcome back. If you're looking for a crypto exchange that's fast, secure, and loaded with bonuses, you're going to love this one. Let's talk about MEXC. MEXC is one of the most advanced and fastest growing exchanges in the crypto world. It's known for zero maker fees, lightning-fast trading, and a massive list of cryptocurrencies, way more than most platforms offer. Now here's the good part. If you're new to MEXC, you can grab welcome rewards just by using our referral code, MEXC-10000USD, or the special link in the description. Creating an account takes less than a minute. Go to the MEXC website, click Sign Up, and choose to register with your email or phone number. Type in the legit code during sign up, and your rewards will be activated automatically. Once your account is ready, you can deposit crypto, trade spot or futures with leverage up to 500 times, or earn passive income through MEXC Earn. And the best part? There's no mandatory KYC, so you can start trading right away. MEXC also has one of the cleanest mobile apps out there. Smooth interface, quick orders, and all the tools you need to manage your portfolio anywhere, anytime. So don't wait. Join millions of traders already using MEXC. And use the referral code or click the link in the description to register today and unlock your welcome perks. Let's continue if you want to discover two unique crypto exchanges, WEEX and Bitunix. Both WEEX and Bitunix offer competitive trading fees, a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and access without mandatory KYC for many core features. New users can also unlock bonuses of up to 10,000 USDT by signing up through my links below and completing the available promotions. Click my links below to join WEEX or Bitunix and claim your exclusive new user rewards.